The master teacher said, you will always have poor people amongst you. In today's day and age, the poor will become poorer and the rich will become richer. Why is that? Poor people focus on earning one stream of income, trading time for money, and focusing on paying off liabilities or creating liabilities. What are liabilities? Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, not bringing money in. So when poor people get paid, money goes out to liabilities. Rich people, on the other hand, are trading time for money and are building multiple businesses, multiple streams of income, investing into assets, stocks, bonds, real estate products, companies to generate multiple streams of income. Rich people are earning 5, 7, 11, 17, 20 streams of income. They understand, they have the wisdom and the knowledge on how money works for money. They are earning multiple sources of income, not just putting their eggs in one basket. For example, like the poor people are just having one stream of income. You see mommy and daddy just working, trading time for money, earning one stream of income. Now you fall into that as well. I understand you are being programmed, brainwashed into thinking that being employed is the only way and means of generating income. You need to start to open your eyes and to pray for the wisdom and the knowledge to understand how you can start generating and accumulating multiple sources and streams of income so that you can build your asset column. It's not how much you are earning, it's what you are doing with what you are earning. You can have a person earning 10,000 Rand per month and earning 80,000 Rand per month. The person earning 10,000 Rand per month can have more wisdom and knowledge to now build their asset column, whereas the person earning 80,000 Rand per month, their money might just go for liabilities or buying expensive, nice things. So in life,